The VCB-019 Window Breeze Block is a modern design deeply inspired by traditional architectural elements, harmoniously combining aesthetics and functionality. Featuring refined, stylized patterns, the VCB-019 serves not only as a decorative highlight for facades or interior spaces but also enhances natural ventilation and lighting, creating a more open and airy atmosphere for any structure. Typically crafted from cement, this product ensures exceptional durability and weather resistance, making it well-suited for Vietnam's climate conditions. The size and color of the VCB-019 can be customized upon request, allowing for easy installation and versatility across various types of projects such as townhouses, villas, cafes, or public buildings. Beyond its roles in providing privacy and shielding, this ventilation block also helps regulate the microclimate within the home. The VCB-019 is an ideal choice for those who appreciate minimalist elegance while still wanting to preserve a touch of traditional charm in their modern living spaces.